Artificial intelligence is rapidly changing our world. From self-driving cars to personalized medicine, AI is poised to revolutionize countless aspects of our lives. One of the most exciting and potentially transformative areas of AI research is the development of agentic AI, systems capable of independent thought and action. Imagine a world where AI can conduct complex scientific research, analyze vast datasets, and generate novel hypotheses, all without human intervention. This is the promise of agentic AI, a technology with the potential to accelerate scientific discovery and unlock solutions to some of humanity's most pressing challenges. ChatGPT, a large language model developed by OpenAI, has taken the world by storm with its ability to generate human-quality text, translate languages, and answer questions in a comprehensive and informative way. ChatGPT represents a significant leap forward in AI capabilities, demonstrating the power of deep learning algorithms to process and generate human-like language. Built on a massive dataset of text and code, ChatGPT can understand and respond to a wide range of prompts and questions. Its ability to engage in natural-sounding conversations has made it a valuable tool for communication, education, and entertainment. But ChatGPT's potential extends far beyond these applications. Agentic AI refers to AI systems that can act autonomously, setting their own goals and making decisions to achieve them. Unlike traditional AI systems that follow pre-programmed rules, agentic AI can learn and adapt to new information, making them more flexible and capable of tackling complex real-world problems. In the context of research, agentic AI could revolutionize the scientific process. Imagine an AI scientist capable of independently designing and conducting experiments, analyzing data, and generating new hypotheses, all without the need for human intervention. Such a system could accelerate the pace of discovery, allowing us to tackle complex scientific challenges with unprecedented speed and efficiency. The development of an autonomous AI researcher requires overcoming significant technical hurdles. AI systems need to be able to understand the nuances of scientific inquiry, including experimental design, data analysis, and hypothesis generation. They also need to be able to learn from their mistakes and adapt their approach based on new information. Recent advancements in machine learning, particularly in the field of reinforcement learning, have paved the way for more autonomous AI systems. Reinforcement learning algorithms allow AI agents to learn through trial and error, gradually improving their performance on a given task by receiving feedback from their environment. Section 5. Revolutionizing scientific discovery. Agentic AI has the potential to revolutionize scientific research across a wide range of disciplines. From biology to physics, and from chemistry to environmental science, AI is making its mark. By leveraging advanced algorithms and machine learning techniques, AI can process and analyze data at speeds and scales that were previously unimaginable. This capability opens up new avenues for discovery and innovation. In medicine, AI-powered researchers could analyze vast datasets of patient information to identify new drug targets and develop personalized treatment plans. This means that treatments can be tailored to the individual needs of patients, improving outcomes and reducing side effects. AI can also accelerate the drug discovery process, identifying potential new medications in a fraction of the time it would take using traditional methods. In climate science, AI could help us understand the complex interplay of factors driving climate change and develop strategies for mitigation and adaptation. By analyzing vast amounts of environmental data, AI can identify patterns and trends that are not immediately obvious to human researchers. This can lead to more accurate climate models and better informed policy decisions. The ability of AI to process and analyze massive data sets far exceeds human capabilities, allowing us to uncover hidden patterns and insights that would otherwise remain elusive. This can lead to breakthroughs in our understanding of complex systems, from the human brain to the universe itself. AI's capacity to handle and interpret big data is transforming the way we conduct research. By automating many of the tedious and time-consuming aspects of scientific research, AI can free up human scientists to focus on the most creative and intellectually demanding aspects of their work. This synergy between human ingenuity and AI efficiency is paving the way for a new era of scientific discovery, where the possibilities are limited only by our imagination. Section 6. Navigating the ethical landscape. While the potential benefits of agentic AI for scientific research are immense, it is crucial to consider the ethical implications of this technology. The integration of AI into research processes can lead to groundbreaking discoveries and innovations, but it also brings forth a myriad of ethical dilemmas that must be addressed proactively. One concern is the potential for bias in AI systems, which can arise from the data they are trained on. Bias in AI can manifest in various ways, from skewed data interpretations to unfair treatment of certain groups. This is particularly problematic in scientific research, where objectivity and fairness are paramount. If AI researchers are trained on biased datasets, they may perpetuate and even amplify existing societal biases in their findings and recommendations. This could lead to flawed research outcomes and potentially harmful applications of AI technology. Another ethical consideration is the issue of accountability. In traditional research, human researchers are held accountable for their work. However, with AI systems, the lines of responsibility can become blurred. If an AI system makes a scientific breakthrough, who gets the credit? Is it the developers who created the AI, the researchers who used it, or the AI itself? This question of attribution is not just academic, it has real-world implications for recognition, funding, and career advancement. And what happens if an AI system makes a mistake that has negative consequences? The potential for errors in AI-driven research is significant, and the repercussions can be far-reaching, affecting not just the scientific community, but society at large. Establishing clear lines of responsibility and accountability will be crucial for the responsible development and deployment of agentic AI in research. This includes creating robust ethical guidelines and regulatory frameworks to ensure that AI is used in ways that are fair, transparent, and beneficial to all. Section 7. Real-world applications, a glimpse into the future. Despite the challenges, the development of agentic AI for research is already underway. In drug discovery, AI systems are being used to identify promising drug candidates and design optimized clinical trials. In materials science, AI is helping to discover new materials with enhanced properties for applications in energy, electronics, and manufacturing. These early successes provide a glimpse into the transformative potential of agentic AI for scientific research. As AI systems become more sophisticated and capable, we can expect to see even more groundbreaking discoveries and innovations emerge from the collaboration between human and artificial intelligence. Section 8. The dawn of a new era. Collaboration and progress. The rise of agentic AI does not spell the end of human scientists. Instead, it marks the beginning of a new era of collaboration and progress, where humans and AI work together to advance our understanding of the world. This partnership is not about replacing human intellect but augmenting it, creating a synergy that can lead to unprecedented breakthroughs. Imagine a world where AI can analyze vast amounts of data in seconds, providing insights that would take humans years to uncover. Meanwhile, human creativity and critical thinking guide AI in meaningful directions, ensuring that the technology is used ethically and effectively. This collaborative effort can revolutionize fields such as medicine, environmental science, and engineering. By leveraging the unique strengths of both human and artificial intelligence, we can unlock new frontiers of scientific discovery and create a brighter future for all. The potential applications are limitless, from developing new medical treatments to solving complex global challenges like climate change. The key to harnessing the full potential of this technology lies in fostering a spirit of collaboration and open dialogue between AI researchers, ethicists, policymakers, and the public. Open communication ensures that diverse perspectives are considered, leading to more robust and inclusive solutions. By working together, we can ensure that agentic AI is developed and deployed responsibly, maximizing its benefits while mitigating potential risks. This collaborative approach will help build trust in AI technologies and pave the way for innovations that benefit society as a whole. Section 9. The road ahead, balancing innovation and responsibility. The development of agentic AI for research is a journey, not a destination. As we continue to push the boundaries of AI capabilities, it is crucial to proceed with both enthusiasm and caution. We must balance the pursuit of scientific progress with the need to address ethical concerns and ensure that AI is used for the benefit of all humanity. The future of scientific discovery is inextricably linked to the development of artificial intelligence. By embracing a future where humans and AI work together, we can unlock a new era of scientific exploration and innovation, leading to a deeper understanding of our universe and a brighter future for generations to come.